Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today I am going to start section B, game parts. Football. Let's start the history of the game. Football is also known as soccer. The history of football is very old, as similar versions of game were played in many civilizations. The modern version of game came from England in 1848 when first match was played between two local teams. Sheffield Football Club developed proper football team in 1863. The first recorded match was played in 1872 between England and Scotland. Federation International de Football Association FIFA was formed in 1904, which regulates the rules and development of football. Football became an official event in Olympic Games in 1908 from London. The first World Cup of Football was organized in 1930. It is a very popular game among Europeans, Latin Americans, Asians and African countries. FIFA has more than 200 nations as its members. Many clubs are formed for participation in European League, which has raised the football standards. In India, British bought the game. The first Indian federation, the Indian Football Association, was founded in 1893 but did not have a single Indian on its board. Later named as All India Football Federation, formed in 1937. Football became very popular in Bengal. Many clubs were established to improve football in Bengal. India also started the second oldest football tournament known as Durand Cup in 1888 in Shimla. Later this venue was shifted to New Delhi from 1940. Indian Football League has heightened the football in India. There are many clubs and academic associated with the football in India like Mohun Bagan, Mohammedan Sporting, East Bengal, JCT Phagwara, Dempu SC, Churchill Brothers, etc. Next we have latest rules of the game. The objective of soccer is to send the ball into opposition team's goal by propelling it with the feet or any other part of body, but with not arms or hands. Two teams with a maximum of 11 players each, one goalkeeper and 10 field players. Two half or 45 minutes periods each is the game. Game is started with a push pass in opponent fields from the center circle. Referee keeps a check on the time and may extend the period beyond the regulated 45 minutes. The referee is assisted by two linesmen or assistant referees. Tie rule. Extra time. During a knockout tournament, if there is a tie at the end of regulations time, then the team play for 30 minutes extra time of two half of 15 minutes each. In this duration, if any team score the goal, wins the match. Earlier there was golden goal period in which the team who scored the goals first won the match, but now it is said as a silver goal period. Penalty shootouts. If there is a still tie after overtime period, a penalty shootout takes place. The referee decides which goal will be used for the penalty kicks. The team to kick first determined by toss. Each team choose 5 players to take the kicks in turn. The team that has most goal after 5 kicks win the match. Sudden death. If the teams are still tied after 5 kicks each, the teams keeps taking the penalty kicks until the one team wins. The goal is scored when the ball crosses the goal line, maybe on surface or in the air. Dear student, the next further informations regarding football, ground dimensions and tips to remember, we will see in my next video. Thank you very much.